Hi guys, today we are going to be talking about common factors in the selection and training of paraprofessionals, industrial training of paraprofessionals, common challenges in the selection and training of industrial paraprofessionals. You know, when we talk about paraprofessionals, we're talking about new recruits and every employees that has come in an organization, and there are common challenges in their selection and their training. So one problem, especially in this selection problem, one of the problems that organizations or personal psychologists face in this situation is, how do you attract people that have the right talents? This is the first challenge you face. This is the first problem: how to attract these talents, how to attract them, and the process you do for the recruitment or advertisement and everything. So organizations try as much to use the right media to get the right persons and attract them to your workplace. And number two is limited training resources. Do the organization have enough time for that? Do they have the right personnel that can give the training? Do they have enough money to embark on those advanced training? Right? We have high turnover. You know. So high turnover. We are talking about these. People quitting the job, people being fired, and every other thing, and this skill gap also. Skill gap is another challenge. There is this skill gap. You know, things are evolving, and organizations are going tech-wise, ICT, right? And at that point, the soft skills, are they present? This is a big factor. We have another one: adapting to this new technology. The problem of adapting to new changes, technological changes in the organization or in the society. Number six, we have language barriers. Right? So you see that the paraprofessionals may be having problem. You know, language is not the best description of whom you are and what you can offer to an organization. So language barrier also have a challenge, or poses a challenge. Then safety concerns in this training process. Are you having the adequate and conducive atmosphere, or machines, or gadgets that will not expose the applicants, or let's say the employees at this time, to any hazardous situation, everything? So that safety concern is also important. So in having highlighted these challenges, we are going to be looking at some solutions that we'll be looking at to mitigate this problem. One of them is to partner with training institutions. Having discovered that there may be problem in time, availability of time to engage in this session and training, availability of the resources or money to do this, you may want to partner with training agencies, right? Training institutions. Number two, you can engage in apprenticeship or internship. The organization may be open to paraprofessionals coming for internships and all of these things. This will give them an opportunity to have a on-the-job training or those first-hand training, and then we have another solution is to bring up a competitive compensation, high salary and benefits for that job and everything. It will help to get the right people to the job. Then the training must be ongoing, continuously. Like, expose them to training after training, give them opportunity to develop themselves and become a better version of themselves. And importantly, that training should be tailored specifically to that job. That's what we call advanced training. And then they attend conferences. So tailored training to fit that job specification and description to the individual and everything. So this is the size of the video, and this is what we have for you in this topic. the challenges and the solutions in selection and training of paraprofessionals. Thank you and see you in the next video.